When did you start and how did you start?
And I like calling it Mbira Praise and Worship.
Okay.
But doesn't actually represent Mbira only. It represents all traditional instruments. Funny enough, I actually didn't plan to do this. I never thought in my life I would do this. So where I worship, they use instruments during worship, but there's no traditional instruments. So I said, if I should go and learn how to play these traditional instruments, I think I would add some sound in the worship team. So I got this guy who teaches Mbira. So I asked him, "Can you please teach me Mbira?" And then he said yes. Then I said, "Okay. I want you to teach me the instrument, not songs." You understand a song when I say, because you can teach someone a song, let's say Amazing Grace. If it's a guitar, you can teach someone to play Amazing Grace on the guitar. But that person doesn't know a guitar. They know a song. So I didn't want to be a person that knows a song but doesn't know the instrument. Which means if I come here and do a jam session with others, they must only play Amazing Grace. Because that's all I know. But if you know an instrument, you can just get in and then start. So we agreed. So when we then started, he says, no, I'm good in teaching songs. So instead of fighting him, he was there already. I just said, okay, maybe let's record my song. Then you can teach me this song. That's how I recorded Noah. Unfortunately, if there's English like that, Noah went viral. It was played on TV and radio. People liked it. So I was now under pressure to produce more songs. So that's how I then, it's like you are at a swimming pool and then you don't want to jump in and then someone just comes. Maybe that's how God pushed me into this ministry. Otherwise, I'd never in my life intended to do this. So now I have to go. I have to move. I have to keep moving.
Okay.
And to promote not only Mbira, but every other traditional spirit. So that's how I started. Yeah. And this happened in 2021. I'm not 30 years or 20 years, in 2021. So I'm pretty new. I'm a new artist. I'm now calling myself an artist. Something that I never thought it would happen. So good person. Thank you very much.